I'm glad to tell you that I solved the problem of the comfort of the Sony WH-1000 XM6 headphones, and this is thanks to a comment by one of my viewers on my initial review video of these headphones. So when I tried these headphones for almost 6 months before the initial review, I found out that they are uncomfortable, not because they clamp too hard or because they are heavy. It is because the inside of the ear cups will touch always your ears, and this is highly annoying, and whenever you move your head they will rub against your ears and they produce like a rubbing sound, and also they become uncomfortable. So the commenter told me to get the Wicked replacement earpads, and this is what I've done. So I went to the Wicked website and I found out that they have two types of earpads. So they have the extra large version and they have a normal version. So by the way, this is the Wicked XL, and this is the original one that I took out from my headphones. And notice the difference in the thickness. So the thickness of the Wicked XL is 0.91 inches or 24 millimeters, when it is only 0.79 inches or 20 millimeters on the original ones. And this translates in deeper earpads here, so your ear will not touch anymore the fabric that is here and the ANC device that is in the headphones. And the fabric is also the same here, so it is good overall. Now for the height, they are almost the same. The Wicked maybe is 2 millimeters higher than the original ones, and also for the width, notice that it is only maybe 1 or 2 millimeters wider than the original one. Now the inside of the ear cup is a little bit wider also for the Wicked one. It is like 2 millimeters wider like this here, but in the height it is the same. The material of the Wicked earpad feels softer than the original one, but the memory foam on the original one is better. So notice how it rebounds faster on the Wicked, which is here, and this is the original. So notice the original took like 2 seconds more to rebound than the Wicked, and this is better in my opinion. But nevertheless, the Wicked is also good. Replacing the earpads is very straightforward, and it doesn't need any tools, and it is very easy. You just need to be careful about not breaking the pins. So I'm gonna show you how to replace them. I already replaced the right one here. You see how thick it is and how deeper it is than the original ones. And this is really very good. So this is how you replace them. This is the original one. To remove it, simply from the top, hold it from the inside like this, and just pull it out carefully and slowly. Do not push too much. If it doesn't go out from here, just change your finger placement and then pull it out. It's gonna pull out like this. Now don't continue to pull it out like this from here, because you might break the pins that are here. So now what you need to do is to pull it out from here like this and from all the sides, and here it is removed very easily. And notice that the earpads, they have pins here so that to guide them where you should put them. And the Wicked earpad, it has a white background, when the original one, it is black. So notice that the pin here, you should align the pins on the pins here. And one thing that I didn't like too much is that they are not labeled left and right, because they differ the pin placement. Just see where the pins fit and put them. So here I have a pin holder that is here and a pin holder that is here. And so I can align these here like this very easily, and align the upper pin also very carefully, and now push it in gently. So if it doesn't click in place, it means it is not well aligned. Remove it and repeat. So it should click in place now. So it has a positive click. So push it from here and push it from the other side, and make sure that all the sides, they are in place. And now it is replaced, and you notice that they fit in perfectly. Now you should know that the Wicked XL ear cups are 15 grams, the pair of them, heavier than the original ones, but you will not feel the weight. So they weigh 45 grams, the two of them, when the original ones weigh only 30 grams. So when you wear the headphones, as I said, you will not feel the added weight, because they fit beautifully on my head and I feel all the weight distributed. And the most important thing is that the inside of the ear cup is not touching my ears anymore. So now whenever I move my head, they will not rub against my ears, and this is a very big plus for these ear cushions. Now I wore them for the last 2 weeks to try them out and to see if I feel uncomfortable on the long term, but they worked beautifully and now I can wear my Sony XM6 headphones without being uncomfortable. And I want to thank the viewer that commented and gave me this idea. Now, if you're wondering about the active noise cancellation, the sound quality, and the word sensing, they won't be affected. I have tested the active noise cancelling. It is as good as the original ones. The sound quality is exactly the same, and the word sensing also works beautifully without any problem. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, and I paid fully for the Wicked Ear Cushion XL. If you want to check them out, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this way you'll be supporting me. And if you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.